Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Baraka Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. And welcome to the episode number 3 of the series called Basics of Makeup. So this episode is all about conceal, contour and set. So if you're new here and you're not aware of these episodes, let me explain you. So in this series, I am covering each and every makeup step one by one in a different episode. And right now we are already done with the skin prep and the foundation base. So if you want to know how we got here, you can click on this I button and watch the other 2 episodes as well. Before going ahead with this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you find my videos helpful, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family whom you think this video could be helpful. So without any further more talking, let's get started. We are already done with our foundation and now it's time to bring some dimension back to our face and also conceal the areas which needs a little bit more coverage. I am starting off with the concealer and I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now again, the choice of concealer depends on your preference. Now if you want to go for full coverage concealer, you can go for it. If you want a medium to buildable coverage concealer, you can opt for that concealer as well. For concealer, it can be the exact same match for your foundation, that is a skin tone basically, or you can even go a shade lighter. But if you are a beginner, I would suggest to go in with the same exact shade. Now start with applying the concealer on the areas where you need more coverage. Mostly it will be around your eyes and your mouth and also some blemishes that are still peeking through your foundation. Now I'm again using the same Damn Beauty blender to blend this concealer. Then I'll use the dabbing motion and I won't drag the product. This way you get the maximum coverage on the areas where you want. Make sure when you're blending your under eye concealer, you look up and not down, otherwise it will just settle in your fine lines. So as you can see, the face is looking very flat and very blank right now, so we need to get some dimension back on our face. Now to contour my face, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer. Now I am going with a powder contour other than with a cream contour because I think as a beginner a powder contour works the best. So I also get a lot of question on how to choose a contour or a bronzer shade. So it should be always 4 to 5 shades darker than your skin tone. That's how it's gonna create those shadows and give dimension to our face. Now how to find the right place to apply contour is another very frequently asked question. So now I'm going to share with you a very quick trick to know where to place the contour exactly. So what you have to do is take a brush and just place it on the high point of your face right here and then just roll it down very slowly. Now as your brush goes in the hollows of your cheeks, that's where you have to contour. So now this is the area where you have to apply your contour and blend it upwards and not downwards. Now let me show you how I do it. So I'll pick the contour shade and as I said, I'll place it over here like so. Now when you apply your contour shade, you also need to make sure that it does not pass on this point. Like there should at least be 2 fingers gap from your lips and the contour shade. It should not go more further than this point. Now that I have the color placed, and I'll just blend it upwards. Make sure to blend it in circular motion. Now if you want a more defined jawline, you can go ahead and contour that as well. I'm going to just show you how to do that. So again, pick up some color and just go across your jawline and blend it downwards and not upwards. So for nose, if you're using the same brush, make sure you pinch it and make it a little bit flat. Now after you have your product on your brush, just make 2 lines on your nose as you can see and blend it outwards. Alright, so the contouring is done and now it's time to set our makeup in place. Today I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my face. Now you can also go in with a compact powder for setting your face. It again depends on what you like. And to apply the loose powder, I am again going in with this beauty blender. Trust me, you can use this makeup sponge to do 80% of your makeup. So I will be picking a little bit of loose powder and again I'm going to look up and set my under eyes. Make sure you're pressing the powder and not dragging it. I'm also gonna set my upper eyelids. Now for the rest of my face, I'll just set around my mouth. But if you are a dry skin type, you can go ahead and set your entire face, or if there is any area which you feel becomes oily after some time, you can go ahead and set that areas as well. So I quickly went ahead and applied some mascara and lipstick because I was looking very blank. But that is it for this episode. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're finding these episodes helpful, do let me know in the comment section below. It will motivate me to make more of these in the future as well. And as always, all the product recommendations will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And with that, I'll take your leave and I'll see you next week with a new episode. Till then, bye.